the mountains here. This is the ocean, and it's kind of like a beach because it also has like pine trees.